Now that we have our first student registered in the course and we have posted the first post, we can opt for creating a new course material. When we click on the create material, we can give it a title. Let's say it's the intro slides. We can add, as I told you, a Google Drive file or a simple file. I can click on this button, and then I'm offered this upload page. I can select a file from my device, or I can simply drag and drop from my Explorer. So I have a PDF file that I want to upload. I can add multiple files, of course. I will hit the upload button, and then I can add few words in the description tab, specify which students I want to see this post, and then I can specify a topic for my post. So let's add a few words. This is By the way, if you notice that you want to add this same post to another class, you can select the classes. Suppose you have multiple sections for the same course, you can select all the sections for which you want to add this post. As a topic, I didn't specify any topic yet, so I can create a new topic called, let's say, lectures. If I want to organize my course into lectures, assignments, exams, lab material, for example, I will have those sections or categories or topics defined in my course. The best way is to create effective real topics from your course. For example, um, marketing campaign, communication means, um, and so on and so forth. So it depends on the nature of your course. Once again, instead of selecting all the students, I can specify only one of them or subgroup of them. I can add a YouTube video, let's say. I can search for getting started with Google Classroom. I hit the search button, and then I can select whatever video that suits me. I hit add, or I can specify the exact URL of that video that I created myself. So I'll add this video for the moment, and I will post it. I can specify a specific date and time, or just save it as a draft, or post it right away. Suppose you save it as a draft, so you get it highlighted in gray in your classwork. For the moment, you notice the lectures topic that has been created for me, and then whenever you are ready, you can edit this post and hit the post button right away. Then when you post it, the students will see it immediately in their stream. If I go back to the student tab, I see that the stream was updated. I can hit show, and I can see here that I can see that my stream has been updated with the latest post from the instructor. I can also click on the classwork to see it, but since it's not an assignment, it's a material, so I will see it here in the stream. I can click on it, and then I can see the details, the title, the description that was entered by the professor, and the PDF file and the video. Let's see from the student point of view, how can they access the material. So they can click on it right away, but just in case they want to download it, they have to go to those three dots, click on them, open a new window, and they can now download it from this page by clicking on the download button. If I click on it, it gets it downloaded here. I can click on this arrow and then say show it in folder. By default on my computer, it goes to the downloads folder, and then I have the PDF. I can open it with the regular PDF reader. I can print it out, send it by email. I can do with it whatever I want. So this is what happens on the student side. I'll go to this page where I got this PDF. I will click on the blank page. So once again, if you have your PDF file open, you can click in the blank in the black zone, and then you will get it closed. And then I can click on the video to watch it. Clicking on it will launch the video automatically. I can click on this YouTube logo so that it opens in its respective separate tab so that I can keep it on watching it later on without disturbing my current coursework. When I get back, I can click on the black zone. I can hide this download zone. I can close this tab. I can get back to the course to see if there are any news. In the next steps, we will create other types of posts. For example, assignments, quiz assignments, and questions. Please note that from now on, if I click on reuse posts, I can clearly use this post, the intro slides. So imagine that in all the subsequent semesters, you can reuse this post, of course, after re-editing the post as you like by changing the file, the video, or the description, or any part in it.